Hello there. So today I'm going to talk to you about contact allergies in animals. So there's actually two different types of contact allergies in animals. You'll have allergic contact allergies or allergic contact dermatitis and irritant contact dermatitis. So it is kind of important to distinguish between those two. Um, Typically, the irritant one is more like poison ivy. Almost everybody that encounters it is going to have at least some kind of reaction, even if it's just a small amount of itching and not a full rash. Whereas the allergic version tends to be more specific to the animal, certain grasses. You could even get it from certain laundry detergents, types of fabrics, of blankets, those types of things. It is kind of important to differentiate between the allergic and the irritant version to help figure out the root cause, but it can be a little bit of a booger to figure out which one it is. More commonly, the allergic version is only going to impact one animal in the household, whereas the irritant one is going to impact everybody involved. But if you only have one pet, that can make it very hard to differentiate. A lot of times with contact allergy patients, it becomes a little bit of trial and error of figuring out what specifically in the environment is causing the flare-ups. Like, do they only flare up when they go outside to go to the bathroom? Or do they only flare up when they sleep in one specific bed, which can mean it's the type of fabric of that. So usually the treatment is remove whatever they're having issues with, and then do some steroid, antihistamine, anti-inflammatory, something to that respect whenever we have a flare-up or a reaction. I have seen very rare occasions where a contact allergy can progress to anaphylaxis or a whole body allergic reaction. Thankfully, that's not all that common, but it absolutely can happen. You also can get a little bit of a crossover between contact allergies and environmental allergies, because you can get dogs that are allergic to inhaled pollen but also to the contact of certain grasses. So when they go outside, their belly or their legs or whatever that contacts the grass gets really, really red. And then when they're inside, they have all the other signs of allergies. That's when your allergies become multimodal and hitting it from different respects. But if you suspect a contact allergy in your dog or cat, it's really process of elimination. You really have to pay attention to when they're flaring up, if anything makes a difference. And remember that it can be something as basic as laundry detergent. I have absolutely seen dogs that are allergic to certain brands of laundry detergent, and when they change, they completely stop with any type of reaction. Next, I'm going to be talking about food allergies in animals, which is a giant topic to discuss.